timber loader. Hooray! Now we need to fill it. Timber loader. Keep up the good work. Now we can remove the wood from the plot. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Go on. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. Let's shift into gear to start moving. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Pull the lever up for the vehicle to move. Choose the next game. Tap on the car wash to wash the vehicle. Let's wash. Timber loader. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. That's all. You're doing really great.